Sobrang solid itong colored shades. Actually, meron siyang iba't ibang colors. So, meron siyang yellow, meron siyang black, meron siyang white, may red, may blue. So, I chose this yellow kasi ito yung suot ni JB sa Incognito na series nila. So, si JB is gumanap ay si Richard Gutierrez. So, ito yung lagi ko nakikita kapag pinapanood namin ng wife yun. So, talagang sinubaybayan namin yon. And this yellow is one of his eyewear kapag nagsushoot sila when incognito. Talagang slick tignan. And this is really perfect kapag pang araw, pang daily use mo lang siya, no? So palit-palit ka, ganun. Affordable, kayang-kaya mong bilhin lahat ng colorways. You can have a collection of this one. So try natin. Boom! So magmumukha kang Richard Gutierrez, you know, kahit hindi naman. Pero yun nga, kidding aside. So marami namang colorway nito. So pwede mong pagpilian. So check natin, lagay natin dito yung colors. And ang bilis na dumating. So siguro pag order ko nung last Monday, nung Tuesday dumating na. Ngayon lang tayo nagka-time para i-review. So if you're into fashion, into eyewear or sunglasses, shades, and kasi sa school, 'di ba, hindi pwede yung talagang totally black. So this is a must have. Kapag gusto mo lang is yung parang naglalakad ka sa hallway, so papunta ka ng work, gusto mo lang maiba yung vibe. So yun, maganda to, no? And for example, gusto mo lang mag chill out sa BGC with friends, yan. This is really perfect. Dahil sa affordable siya, kahit magpapalit-palit ka daily, pwedeng pwede yan. So what are you waiting for? Click the shades, click the yellow basket, and if may question kayo, I'm happy to answer it.